But we begin with a pretty stunning development in the civil court trial of right-wing conspiracy theorist Alex Jones, who's being sued for spreading lies about the 2012 Sandy Hook massacre. It happened as he testified on his own behalf. A lawyer for the victims' parents revealed he now holds years of Jones' private text messages that were accidentally leaked by Jones's attorneys. The lawyer says they show Jones lied about a number of things, including how much money he's made from all of this. Nancy Chen is here with an update on this case. Nancy, good morning.
David, good morning to you. The parents of a 6-year-old victim are seeking $150 million in damages. But yesterday in court, they got something else they have wanted for years. Alex Jones finally admitted under oath he knows the Sandy Hook massacre really happened.
It's 100% real. I think Sandy Hook happened, and I think it's a terrible event.
That reversal from Alex Jones was just the first in a series of surprising revelations on the last day of testimony. In a remarkable exchange, lawyers for the family said they had years' worth of text messages from Jones.
Mr. Jones, did you know that 12 days ago, your attorneys messed up and sent me an entire digital copy of your entire cell phone with every text message you've sent for the past 2 years?
The lawyer said the messages showed Jones withheld evidence in the defamation lawsuits about the Sandy Hook shooting.
Mr. Jones, in discovery, you were asked, do you have Sandy Hook text messages on your phone? And you said no, correct? You said that under oath, Mr. Jones, didn't you?
I mean, if I was mistaken, but you got the messages right there.
You know what perjury is, right?
So Alex Jones has a lot more to worry about now than just a lawsuit.
Alexander Tobbs is a civil rights attorney following the case.
He has to worry about whether he might get arrested for perjury, for obstruction of justice, or for any other criminal activity that's found on those phones.
Last Friday, InfoWars parent company filed for bankruptcy protection. And over the course of the trial, Jones has repeatedly claimed his company is bankrupt.
You may not tell this jury that you are bankrupt. That is also not true.
On Wednesday, lawyers brought up Jones' financials in court, asserting at one point he made up to $800,000 a day from ads.
It goes to motive. Alex Jones exploited the heinous tragedy of Sandy Hook for his own personal gain. And he was saying things that were so outrageous and so unbelievable that it was attracting a lot of viewers to his content. And he capitalized on that.
Now, even though the messages were sent by mistake, they can't be used in court because Jones's lawyers failed to take back the evidence within 10 days, as Texas law allows. A lawyer for the parents also told us the January 6th House Committee has contacted him about Jones's messages, signaling the committee may be looking to use his conversations for its investigation.
Now, I know the $150 million seems like a lot, but the money can't heal the pain that these families have been through and what they will continue to go through. But it does help stop the perpetuation of him spreading these lies once he says, OK, I admit that this really happened.
And to that point, apparently one of his attorneys said yesterday he's prepared to pay $1 for each of these defamation claims.
Any chance that he could win an appeal as a result of the lawyer mishandling that information?
I think this is something we're going to have to see play out after the verdict comes in. And there's also the point of just what it means to have everything on the record like this, too, after years of the spread of what his spread is. You know, there's so many people who do listen to what he has to say.
There's power in the tongue, that's for sure. Nancy, thank you.